Okay, so let me tell you a story. A story in my life that's made me who I am today. November 2008. But wait, freeze. Let me take you back about 11 years to 1997 when I was daddy's little princess and everything was basically almost perfect. I didn't really understand the arguments that my parents would sometimes have. I never saw myself smoking or doing any type of drugs in my life, but feel me, shit happens. So I guess you could say my whole childhood from about kindergarten to 6th grade was pretty okay, I guess. I mean, I kinda got what I wanted sometimes, and me and my dad were real close, like best friends. He would take me everywhere with him. He'd always tell me, I wish you could never grow up. I remember how we always used to go to Guitar Center, and I'd play the drums and he'd look at cool guitars and make funny songs. Damn, if only people would get off their lazy asses and make a goddamn time machine already. Ha, just kidding. But really though, my dad was my Superman. I looked up to him for everything and anything. I thought he was always going to be there for me. But as I grew up, I realized it's not so easy for a girl to open up to her dad about crushes or fights with your friends, you know? Stuff like that. So feel me, when I got to be about in the 7th grade, my attitude changed towards my parents, and I started hanging out with the wrong people. Just 'cause they were around, and I pretended to be something I'm not. Like I said, I never saw myself smoking or being a pothead. So one of my so-called best friends told me that smoking's not bad for you, blah blah blah. But I wasn't listening to her because I saw all those ads on TV talking about smoking gives you lung cancer, don't smoke kids. Or that bear talking about don't smoke because you can't prevent a forest fire. But I was thinking to myself, what's one little cigarette gonna do to me? It's not like I'm gonna get lung cancer because I smoked one little cigarette. So I told my friend, shit, why not? It's just one cigarette. Then she introduced me to weed, my Mary Jane. Damn. My Mary Jane would make me forget all about my problems at home. I felt like I was flying, like I was on top of the world. But shit at home wasn't what you could call perfect anymore. My dad never understood where I was coming from. We would always get into arguments because me and my dad never really saw eye to eye on things. And I didn't agree on how he thought and saw things sometimes. And I'll never forget the day that me and my dad got into a fight and my mom ended up calling the cops on us to split it up. Damn, that's some shit though. But then I realized that I needed to break out from all the bullshit and express myself and feel understood from the people around me. The friends that I was hanging out with weren't taking me nowhere. Like, they weren't positive. Like, smoke weed all day just because my life sucks. No, that's not where I wanted to go in my life. So I just stopped kicking it with them and stopped talking to them. And then I hooked up with some old friends that I used to talk to, and we started a music group. And that's where I'm going with my life right now. I feel that through music I can express how I feel and how I sing the song. And it gives me a chance to get things off my chest, having not to think about things that stress me out. Even though I don't talk that much to my dad, music is something that he passed down to me. And maybe one day we can understand each other through our music. And maybe one day we could go back to how things used to be.